Hi everyone, I'm Natalie, and today Veritas Health is going to bring you 3 easy stretches for lumbar spinal stenosis. All of these stretches help stretch the hamstrings and can promote relaxation of the low back. If any of these exercises worsen your symptoms or cause new symptoms, please discontinue and consult with your medical provider. The first stretch we're going to do is a hamstring stretch that's going to be performed while laying on your back. You can grab a towel or a strap, and you can lay on your back either on the ground or on your bed, wherever you're the most comfortable. You'll lie flat on your back, let your other leg be long, put the strap around your toes, and then use it to pull your toes towards you while also gently straightening the knee. Hold for about 30 seconds. You should feel a gentle stretch through the back of your hamstring here. It's okay if your knee isn't all the way straight, as long as you're still feeling a nice gentle stretch with that. Good. You can then switch to the other side. Put it around your toes. Gently straighten the knee and pull the toes towards you until once again you feel a gentle stretch through this area. Hold for about 30 seconds, and you can work your way up, performing this 3 times on each side. The next hamstring stretch I'm going to show you is going to be performed sitting in a chair. This stretch is great if you're not comfortable lying on your back, or if it's hard for you to get on and off the ground. You'll sit towards the edge of your chair and place what leg you want to stretch out in front of you, heel on the ground with your toes pointing up towards the sky. Keep your back straight and just lean your trunk forward until you start to feel a gentle stretch to the back of your leg. Once again, you can have a slight bend in your knee for this, and just go until that stretch is comfortable but doesn't cause any pain. Hold for about 30 seconds there. Good. You can then do the other side. Same position, heel on the ground, toes pointing up towards the sky. Lean forward till you have a gentle stretch through the back of your thigh. You can work your way performing this stretch 3 times on each side for about 30 seconds. The final stretch I'm going to show you guys can be done while standing. You'll stand with your feet about hip width apart. Keep a slight bend in the knees. Bend forward at your hips, keeping your back fairly straight, going forward until you feel a gentle stretch through the backs of your legs. You can either hang here if that's comfortable, or you can rest your hands on your thighs or your shins for a little extra support. Hold for about 30 seconds and work your way performing this stretch 3 times. To learn more about lumbar spinal stenosis, please visit us at Spine Health and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.